Hi everyone, this is Miss Farwa and welcome to my channel Learn to Teach. In this video, I will be discussing the basic formatting options that are available on Microsoft Excel. What is formatting? Formatting is the way you want to show your information. What is the writing style of the text? What is the size of the text? What is the color of the text? It covers it all. So let's begin with this photo. I will be explaining you all of these options first, and then we will move towards Microsoft Excel in order to show you practically that how each of these options work. Let's start with the first one. This menu where the Calibri is written, this menu is for changing the font. What is a font? A font is actually the writing styles of your text or data that you insert. It's Calibri here. If you want to change, you can go open the drop down and there are a lot of various fonts that you can apply. Next, the 11 is written here. These buttons changes the font size. A larger number makes it bigger and a smaller number makes it smaller. If it's 11, it is a little smaller. If you want to make it a bigger font size, you can change it to 24, 36, 72. So it's up to you. Whatever number you select, it becomes like that. The font size will be like that. Next to it is bold, italic, underline. The capital B is for bold, bold. You can see down the way bold word is written. This is what actually happens with the text in your cell. It will make it a little bold. I is for italic. You can see that how this I is written. Italic. This is what happens with the text when you apply this option. U is for underline. It provides an underline below the data or the text in your cell. Next is capital A and small a. These are again for the font sizes. Capital A makes it larger and small a makes it smaller. Next is your square. This is square with an underline. You can see that this menu adds lines to the cells. It means it helps to provide borders to the cells. I will show you after a few minutes. This is the next one is a fill color option. This menu changes the cell color. It is actually to change the box or the cell color where you are inserting the text. Capital A with a red underline. This menu changes the font color or the size of the font or whatever you write inside, it changes the color of that text. Now let's quickly move towards Microsoft Excel in order to show you all of this. Here is Microsoft Excel. I will open the application. Then I have to open a blank workbook. Let's make these cells bigger with a plus sign at the bottom right side of the screen. Use the maximize button top at the top right corner and then it is fixed on your screen. Let me write the word apple and apply all of the formatting options on it. This is a cell A1 where I have written apple. Now, first we saw was the font. If you open this menu, then you can see then there are variety of fonts available. You can select any of the font from this drop down. So this is how it works. Let's suppose we want like this. The second was the font size. You can open this menu and there are a lot of font size that increases the size of the text. This is how it works. Next to it is the capital A and the small a. This is also for the same reason. Increases the font size, decreases the font size. Okay. Next, let me quickly show you this BB is for bold. It is going to make it a little bold. If you can see the changes like this. Next is I makes it italic. You can see how it changes when I apply I on it. It gets italic. Then the last one is underline. You can see that there is an underline on it. So this is how this option works. Next, if you select the cell, let's make it a little wider. Now see this is one cell. If you want the borders, you can just open this menu and you can apply different borders. Let's suppose I want a thick outside border. I will click here, and then you can see if I select any other cell, then you can see then there are borders around it. Or I can show you by writing apple in the middle. Now select this cell, go to borders, apply a thick border on it. Select any other cell. Now you can see that if I applied the thick border, it the line came on each of the sides of this cell. This is how the border works, and you have variety of different styles to the borders. If you want border on top and bottom only, you can select this option. So this is how it works. Now let's talk about the color of the cell, fill color option. You can apply any color to your cell. Let's make it red. So it's up to you. Next is your font color. Font color is actually the color of the text inside this cell. We will select it, and then simply you can go here and you can apply different colors. Just give me 1 minute. I'll select this. I'll go here. I don't know why are the colors not shown here. We'll go to more colors. Let's suppose I say yellow. We press OK, and then the color changes. If you want any other color, go down, more colors. You can, let's suppose green color. If you select, press OK, it changes to green. So this is all about this video. Thank you so much. I hope that all of the formatting options are clear to you. If you have any problem, any question, you can comment below. Thank you so much. Stay tuned, stay connected, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Bye bye.